Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay, y'all, I'm back with another video. Do not adjust your screen. That is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I decided to pick it up from T-Mobile, and for some reason, they sent it to me a week early. It doesn't really launch until next Friday, the 26th. So if you're watching it, today or tomorrow, yeah, I got pretty lucky to get the phone in pretty quick. If you look on my channel, I did have the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and I actually love that phone. This one is in Graphite, 112 gigabytes of storage, but we'll go over the specs a little bit. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, maybe bring up the phone and just go over it, just show y'all, the first look of the phone. Then I'll probably come back and do like a 24-hour video, but that's enough of me talking. Let's go over the presentation, fold, and then it has the Galaxy Z Fold 4 at the bottom, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Nice presentation. I mean, the box is thin like heck. I mean, it's not much in the box, I'd probably guess. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But let's get into it. My trusty unboxing knife. I need to find my real one. Shout out to Big Migs. He's the one who gave me my boxing knife. I just don't know where it's at. Oh. Maybe. Did I fail? Fold. Ooh. There it is. Let's put that on the side. What do you get in the box? Is it underneath here? It is in here. I was like, you don't get nothing? Do you get a case? No. Do you get a charging brick? No. But you do get your quick start guide, your SIM injecting tool, and your USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Nice little packaging from them. I mean, it's pretty simple. Hey, they want to save the environment, so yeah, go for it. Should they have the charging brick? Yes, they probably should. But do y'all really come just to see the paperwork? No. Y'all come here to see the phone itself. So we're gonna put that on the side. And here is the phone. I definitely miss having a fold in my, arsenal of phones. Oh, man. I can't wait to look at it. This thing just looks beautiful, y'all. Oh, but that crease is still there. Let's power this bad boy on. If it has power. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. But look at, Now watch the fold. The hinge seems a little, that is so awesome. We will get over the specs really quick, but what y'all think about it? I mean, so it comes in graphite, comes in a beige color, and then green, and then it also has like a burgundy color like my S22 Ultra. I decided to get the graphite. Look at that matte finish. That's the cameras. But let's go over this bad boy. The first thing, let's talk about the front display. And that is bright too. You have a 6.2 inch display. It is dynamic AMOLED, 120 hertz refresh rate. Yes, 120 hertz refresh rate. Yeah, I heard that from the beginning. When you open it up, you have the massive 7.6 inch display. It's also 120 hertz. It's also a dynamic AMOLED panel. I mean, but what y'all think? Man. The back cameras, you have a 50 megapixel wide shooter. You have a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens. Then in the front, you have, or the display, you have a 4 megapixel under the display camera there, megapixel camera. I heard that they didn't do much to that camera. and people hated on it last year, so we will, shut up. We will test that out again. Then on the front display, you actually have a 10 megapixel front camera too. And this camera was actually pretty good. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cameras on this device. You have your power button here, which is also, ridged in there. You have your vine rockers here. You have your SIM card slot. On the top, you have a couple microphones and a speaker. On the bottom, you have another speaker. You also have the microphone and then the USB Type-C charging port. Bam. And then this is also a fingerprint scanner, if I'm not mistaken. The power button is. When you open it up, though, look at the bottom too. Now it has Android 12 on it. It should be getting Android 13. It comes with the latest Snapdragon, which is the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. This is 12 gigs of RAM. I did get the 512 gigs of storage. The battery is 4,400 milliamp hour battery. A lot of people was talking about it and discussing it. And should you pick up this phone if you have the Galaxy Z Fold4? We'll get into that in a different video. But this one, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. But you also do have some branding there, the Samsung on the hinge. They did some update to the hinge too. Now, but you do still have that display though. But let me pause the video. Let me put some information in here so we can just look at the UI. And I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, everyone. So I was able to go ahead and set it up real quick. Man, the one thing I miss about it is just the fold. I mean, just folding this phone is so much fun. So yes, and just to confirm, that is the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. But what y'all think about it? It is just, I mean, look. Yeah. What y'all think about it? I love when this phone is open like that. Couple other things too I didn't mention. You have your wireless charging. You have your reverse wireless charging. It does have pen support. As the pen is not included with the phone, so you do have to buy that separate. I think I do have a pen coming in also. I also have a couple cases that will hold the pen for you, but you do get the pen support, the S Pen, and it works beautifully just like on the Z Fold4. I don't know what y'all think about it. Y'all let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I probably will put it against the S22 Ultra. I have some cases for it. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see from me on this device. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Stay tuned. More videos coming up. One last time, y'all. That is a beautiful sound. Peace. I'm out.